Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you look 1 in my 10 looks using 1 palette series. This is actually the 3rd season of this series. This time around I'm going to be highlighting the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. This palette is beautiful. I saw it. It is limited edition, I believe, but I saw this. I think it came out for the holidays and it is gorgeous. I saw it and I was like, I have to get that. I have a decent amount of eyeshadow palettes, but I saw that and I was like, I need it. I am sick. I sound gross. I'm very sorry about that. I don't have any more pre-filmed videos, so you just have to deal with this disgusting voice. I'm very sorry. I hate it. I think I sound terrible. I sounded worse last week. I've been sick for a little over a week, and this is how I'm sounding now. My son actually had bronchitis, my 5-year-old. I had to take him in on Christmas Eve to the emergency room, and that was awful. Now I sound like crap. But anyways, this is the eye look that I created. It is a very bronzy brown, kind of simple smoky eye. Very beautiful. I really like how it turned out. This is look number 1 of 10 in this series. So if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. So I always prime my eyes with concealer. Sorry, I sound so sick. I've been sick the past week. I'm drinking some hot tea. Trying to get my voice not as crazy. But anyways, so I always prime my eyes with concealer. Usually I use Tarte Shape Tape, and then I just go into any contour palette and grab just a beige shade and set my eye like that. I've basically been sick this whole break since my son's been out of school. Not like awful sick or, you know, just my voice sounds like this and I've been coughing. So I sound really crappy. Actually, I sound way better today than I've sounded the last week. I was like, I have to film, so I guess you guys will just have to deal with my super obnoxious sick voice. Sorry. Okay, and that's basically how I prep my eyes every single time I do my eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to scoot you guys in as close as my camera will allow it because it's temperamental and it does not like to focus. So first I'm going to be dipping into Bare with a fluffy blending brush. This is just a Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm just going to work that. See? Temperamental. I try to scoot you in as close as I can, but my camera, I think it hates the white brushes. I think that's what throws it off. But I'm just going to buff that in as a transition shade. I'm going to do a very neutral brown look. I feel like I never do just a neutral brown look very often. So next, going into transitional on a smaller fluffy brush, I'm just going to work that into the crease. Picking up Frame on that same fluffy brush, I'm just working that into the crease, focusing it on the outer half. And then dragging that to the inner corner, any excess. Next, with a shader brush, I am just going to pick up Expression, and I'm going to pack that on the outer corner. Just putting that into the crease a little bit. I'm sorry if you can't stand my sick voice. I can't stand it. I tried really hard to drink a lot of hot tea and stuff this morning to try to get it under control. Obviously it didn't help that much. But I gotta get some videos filmed. Going in with that second fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend out. That looks really pretty. Okay, so next, picking up Artistic. And I'm just picking it up on my finger. I'm gonna put that on the inner corner. Just really packing that color on. And then picking up Bronze Chrome on my finger as well. I'm going to tap that right on the center, blending. One of the biggest things that I don't like about this palette is there are no highlight shades for under the brow bone or the inner corner. That's one thing that really bugs me. So you do have to grab a different palette. I'm just going to go back into the Lorac Pro Contour and pick up that beige highlight and just clean up under my brow. And then I'm going to pick up that shimmer highlight that's in that palette and just place that on the inner corner. I don't really know how I feel about that highlight. Next, I'm going to take a smudger brush, picking up Expression, and I'm going to smoke that out on the lower lash line. Picking up Stroke, I'm just going to smudge that out, just smoking that out a little bit with that lighter brown. And that is all I'm going to be doing for the eyeshadow. I'm going to go finish up the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I finished up the rest of my makeup. This is how it turned out. I think it looks very beautiful. I love this palette. I've used it 3 times now and I think it is very beautiful. The shadows are very comparable to the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, so I really like this. I think the shadows are great. They're beautiful. They blend really nicely. The pigmentation is there, so I really like it. I am filming a foundation wear test right now, and I also did a 5 first impressions on this face makeup. So if they are up already, I will link them down below and in the eye over here. If you are excited for another 10 looks using one palette series, give this video a thumbs up so that I know. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post 3 videos every week. I'm very sorry about my sick voice, but if you stuck around till the end, thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.